Pix4Dcatch is a mobile app that connects to those RTK rovers via Bluetooth and receives centimeter precise localization. The phone itself also has internal sensors that are used in Pix4Dcatch to get a relative movement of the phone itself. So we have the images, we have the LiDAR information, we have accelerometers, we have a real-time tag detection that we all use together in an algorithm that we call geofusion to combine the relative movement of the phone with the RTK signals from our rovers. This allows us to get a precise location and orientation of the whole device, and then while we are capturing our scene, we collect images automatically, LiDAR information, and those can then be used in processing to get a precise location of any point that we have captured in the scene. So measuring points close to buildings is a big challenge. With the IMU-enabled rovers, we can tilt and measure those points, but in those areas usually we have a very weak RTK signal. With Pix4Dcatch, we can actually start in areas where we have a good RTK signal, a good accuracy, move towards the building where the signal is not as good, and still get a high accuracy because of the tracking inside geofusion. So how do you achieve centimeter accuracy? So this is very similar to surveying devices. You can connect to your Entrep server of your preference, set it up in Pix4Dcatch and receive the corrections that way. There's also the possibility to use a base station in order to improve the Entrep corrections with your local base. There are limits to this approach, and here we require the photogrammetry knowledge of our surveyors that can analyze the accuracies in post-processing using Pix4D. So we have good RTK signal in some areas. We have the Pix4D auto tags that allow us to track really precisely our phone. We can go into difficult areas, come back, close loops, get the RTK signal again, and analyze this all in Pix4D to get also high accuracies inside areas where there is no or very weak RTK perception.